What is f of 4? What about f of 3.5? What do these values represent in this context? Okay, to find the value of the function at an x value of 4, we're going to go starting at 4 on the horizontal axis. We're going to go up until we hit the function, and then we're going to go left until we hit the y-axis. Now, we're going to zoom in close here so we can see that this is 20, this is 40, which means halfway would be 30, and then halfway again would be 25. So it's about 25. So we can say f of 4 is about 25. And so what does that mean? That means if we follow the sentence pattern that we were using earlier, 4 years after 1977, and that would be 1981, the cost of producing 1 watt of solar was about $25. Okay. And then let's do this again. I guess I'll do this in red this time. Let's do this again for 3.5. Okay, so if we go on the graph starting at, let's label this here. Halfway in between 2 and 4 would be the 3, and then halfway in between 3 and 4 would be the 3.5 right there. And we're going to go starting at 3.5 on the horizontal axis, go up until we hit the function, and then go over until we hit the y-axis. And that's looking pretty close to maybe like 29. We know it's below 30, so maybe 29 would be good. So we're going to say f of 3.5 is about 29. And what does this mean? It means 3.5 years after 1977. So that's still 1980. 1980. The cost was $29. Yep, 3.5 years after 1977, so about 1980. The cost of producing 1 watt of solar was about $29.